How to cancel auto payment on Spotify. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can cancel auto payment on Spotify. So without any further delay, let's get started. So for that you have to open up a browser in your device. After that, search for spotify.com, and under the search results you have to get into login to Spotify. Now it will ask you to enter your login information if you haven't logged in yet. Provide your login information and log into your Spotify account. Now once you land on this page, tap on this button that says Account Overview. Here, under Account section, tap on Manage your subscription. Now in this subscription page, you have to scroll down to find your plan and click on Change Plan if you have already purchased a plan in Spotify or if you have a premium subscription on your Spotify account. Then on the Change Plan page, you have to scroll to the bottom. Under the Spotify free section, you have to select Cancel Premium. After that, follow some on-screen instruction to confirm. Spotify will ask you to confirm that you wish to cancel auto payment or auto renewal. After cancellation, you should receive a confirmation email. You will continue to have a premium access until the next billing date, after which your account will revert to free tier account. So that's how you can cancel auto payment on Spotify, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.